In a few minutes, I'm going to be talking about the new regulations inside the rule book that have happened this year. Some of the things that District 52 has done happened as a change a long time ago. For example, the contest chair being in charge of the contest and also deciding whether they're going to be the Toastmaster or not. Those were rules that were in the rule book a long time, but we didn't use them in District 52, and this year we are. At your contest, know this. The contest chair is the person in charge. You are second in command. As such, anything that happens in the contest, you need to confer with the contest chair to get it resolved. Make sure that the contest chair knows where you are at all times, and that if you leave the room to count ballots, that you tell them when you're back. Make sure somebody knows to tell the contest chair that you've returned. These are the changes that have happened in the contest rulebook from July 1st, 2016, all the way to the end of this year. Most of them may or may not apply to your club contest, your area contest, or your division contest, but they may apply in the district. So it's good for you to know what changes have been made in case that's happened. The first one has to do with video speech contests. Now, we don't do those in District 52, so it's not something that affects us at all. We're not doing an evaluation contest this term, during spring, but the evaluation contestant notes is brand new, and that came up last fall conference. Results form. I talked about that briefly. When you are the chief judge, you will be using this results form to send the results of the contest to your contest chair. Another rule, they've actually made it a rule that there are no fees to be charged to a contestant to attend a contest. District officers or candidates campaigning for electoral positions for the term are not eligible to become contestants. Contestants have to be physically present. They can't use a live or online vehicle to give their speech. The contest chair appoints a contest toastmaster if they do not want to do it themselves. So in that case, if they want the Toastmaster job at the contest, they are eligible to take that position over and above anybody else's wishes. So Toastmaster, it should be considered synonymous with contest chair. That's why I say the contest chair is the person in charge of this entire contest. Okay, contestants who plan to use props, including any sort of electronic device, must notify the contest chair prior to the contest. Contestants must abide by any venue restrictions on the use of props. So if you're at a place that doesn't allow certain things, they need to know that. And all props must be set up during the minute of silence prior to the contestant's speech and removed from the stage in the minute of silence following the speech. So you'll want to make sure that the contestants know that their props have to be set up and torn down during just that 60 seconds. Contestants may enlist someone to help them with props, but it's not the responsibility of the contest chair or any other contest official to do that. Contestants must demonstrate to the contest chair prior to the contest that the props can be set up and removed in the allotted times. If a contestant is unable to demonstrate this, the props cannot be used in the contest. So if it goes over 1 minute, they could be asked not to use them. International speech contest rules. Every participant in the World Championship of Public Speaking must present an entirely new and different speech than the one presented during the participants' semifinal speech contest. This is for people who have won at district level and are going on to the World Championship of Public Speaking at the Toastmasters International Conference. The second part is the same. The semifinals and the World Championship of Public Speaking will follow the version of the rulebook that was in effect when the contest cycle began on the previous July 1st, approximately 14 months before the World Championship of Public Speaking. What does that mean? It means this rulebook is in effect, the 2017 rulebook is in effect, even though the conference may occur after it. The contest chair's checklist. This doesn't affect you as chief judge, but you should know what's going on around you. The contest chair is to ensure that each contestant is eligible under contest rules before the contest, and notify contestants of disqualification if necessary. So now because they have an eligibility checker online, most of the checking can be done before the contest. But also, Toastmasters International will provide a club roster to any contest chair that needs it so that they can verify that the contestants in the contest are eligible to compete. You should work as a team with your contest chair. Make sure that your contest chair knows what you need and that you know what that contest chair needs. That concludes the Chief Judge training for District 52. If you have any questions, please contact me, Chief Judge at district52.org, with your questions, comments, concerns, or if you find something in the rule book that you just don't understand. I am happy to help you. Thank you.